What's up, everyone? Right now, we are in the middle of the COVID-19 epidemic, and there is a lot of negative press and news right now that's focusing on all of the bad parts about COVID and how it's affecting jobs and careers. And so today, in this video, I thought I should bring a little bit of a new perspective, give you guys some inspiration as well as information as to know why this is a really good time for you and your career if you're taking advantage of this unique opportunity. So in today's video, we're going to walk through some of the reasons why and how you can use COVID to really advance and help your careers. Now, these are certainly challenging times for a lot of the folks watching this video, but there is always a silver lining, and if you are following some of these key steps that I'm going to cover in the video today, you can really turn this negative situation into a very positive experience for your career, which will help springboard you when the job market reopens again. And make sure you stay until the very end, because my last tip is going to be a huge game changer for anyone in their careers. So the first reason, if you're taking advantage of this downtime, is that you can use this time to learn new skills, whether that's going to be for a passion project, something you're really interested in, or for a skill set that will help springboard your career, and or my personal favorite, learning new skills that will help you make a job change when you want to re-enter the workforce and get a different type of role. Now, if you wanted to invest in some other professional skills for your career, you could be looking at resources like Udemy or Coursera, or what I truly believe is the best is finding a mentor to help you learn and develop new skills. Now, just want to note, Udemy and Coursera are not sponsors of this video, but CareerShakers.com is the sponsor for this video, so please go ahead and check out my website if you want some free advice, tips, or tactics, as well as coaching for your next career move. All right, back to the video. Now, the second way to take advantage of this situation is to use the time to network. People have the time right now and are so open to meeting and making new friends. So for folks who have been unfortunately let go from their current roles, or even folks who are still employed, they're probably going to experience slowdowns in their everyday work. So everyone is going to have a lot more time and will be much more open-minded to speaking with you and making connections. Also, people are bored right now at home, and so they are going to be appreciative of any type of human interaction that they're getting aside from their kids and their pets. So don't be afraid to reach out and send those messages. But please remember to be sensitive during these times, because you never know what certain people may be going through. So while this may be a great opportunity for you, it may not be good timing for everyone that you're reaching out to. So just be mindful of that. So the final, and what I think is the most important reason that this COVID situation is actually going to be good for you and your career, is that right now, if you were fortunate enough to keep your job, you're going to be given a lot more opportunities to get meaningful work, projects, and expand your responsibilities that will really help build your career. If you were fortunate enough to keep your job, your company is going to need to do the same amount of work, but with less resources. So what that means is you will probably have to work a little bit more, but you'll also be getting a lot more responsibilities and gaining experience a whole lot faster. Additionally, you may be given this golden opportunity where your manager has either left the team or has been let go, and they may be looking to promote someone, it could be you, into a permanent or temporary managerial role, which is going to be huge for you, your career, and your resume to get that type of experience. Now, trust me, I know a lot of you are probably saying, this sucks because I have to work so much, but I think if you change your perspective and understand that this is truly a golden opportunity for you. Not only are you still employed, getting paid, getting health insurance, but you're also been given a huge resume and career boost with all of this extra responsibility and work. And for those of you who want to make a career switch or change your job, as you get more responsibility at work, you can choose which types of projects and skills you want to be building up that will eventually help you transfer over into a brand new type of role. So be looking out for those types of projects and opportunities or responsibilities, especially when your company may be a little understaffed. I wanted to provide a fresh perspective and a different take than something always negative about the economy and the job market right now, to hopefully inspire you guys, but also give you some really great information and tools to make the most of this situation. So when you come back out on the other side, you'll be much more prepared for that next role or opportunity. If you learned something new in this video, please click subscribe and give us one of those thumbs up. It'll really help with the algorithm and make sure that our video gets viewed by folks who really need to see this. Thank you so much for watching. If you do want to work with us on your next career move, please check out our website. It's going to be careershakers.com. We'll put a link down in the video, and we'll see you guys next time.